This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I am making a dish that I've never made before. I was so excited when I saw the stuff at Sam's, so I'm going to give this a try. It's Tortellini Soup, and what I've got in here, let me move you over some. Now I've got 2 pounds of ground chuck in here. I was going to put a pound of Italian sausage and a pound of ground chuck, but when I got out what I thought was Italian sausage, it ended up being chorizo, and I done cut up 3 lengths of it and put it in here. So it's 3 lengths of chorizo in here plus 2 pounds of ground chuck now. And this is already browned, and I've poured out the majority of the grease, and I have cut up, let me back you off of this some. Oh, it's not going out. All right, let me show you here what I've got cut up. I've got 1 green bell pepper. I've got 3 stalks of celery. I've got probably a half a pound of carrots cut up and 2 small onions. And these are all chopped up about the same size. I'm going to go on and put these in here with this. This pot may not be big enough for what I'm fixing. We'll just have to wait and see. Alright, I've got, this is in my Instant Pot Jam, and I've got it on sear saute. I'm going to let this, let's see, the temp I've got it on is, 375. And so I'm going to let this saute for a little while and come back, and I'll show you what all else I'm going to put in here. Let's hope that cooks down some, because if not, I'm not going to have enough room to cook it in here. Alright, I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so what I'm going to put in here now is I have 1 can of Hunt's fire roasted diced tomatoes. I'm going to put those in here. Alright, and I've got 1 can of contadina tomato paste. This is the 6-ounce size. Okay, alright, got this little thing right here. I love this thing. It fits down in everything, and it just is so good. I love it. It's silicone, and I can just scrape everything out with it. Now I'm going to pour, I've got 1 32-ounce size of Chef's Cupboard. I have no idea where this even came from. It had to have been Walmart. Alright, I'm going to try to pour the whole thing in here. Yep. Alright, so this is the 32-ounce size. Chicken broth. This is fat-free chicken broth. So I guess it's full salt. My finger will not stop bleeding. Alright, and let me try to get this all stirred up in here. And I'm just going to put this on, see, it's 4:30. I think I'm going to go to slow cook. I'm going to have to cancel this and then go to slow cook high. 4 hours. I want to take it down to 2 hours. Doesn't have a temp, so it ought to be okay. Alright, so I'm probably going to have to put some more water. It looks like it's not going to be very soupy. So I'll probably have to put some more water in it in a little while. I'm just going to let this cook now because I'm definitely not ready for dinner. Put the top on it now, and I will bring you back in a couple hours and we'll see what's going on. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so here is the tortellini. It's from Sam's. It's 5 cheese tortellini. It's made with ricotta, aged Parmesan, mozzarella, mascarpone, and aged Romano. Romano cheese. Alright, so this has been in the slow cook on high, and I took it off of that, and now it was on there for 2 hours, and the carrots are still, they're, let's see, they are still a little bit hard, but not too bad. I kind of like them like that. But I'm going to go on and put it says that the tortellini is ready in 5 minutes. Well, actually it says 4. But I'm going to go on and put this in there. This was one of 2. There's 2 sides to this. There's the other one is still in the refrigerator. I'm not making it. And I've tasted this, and it's perfect, but something in there is kind of spicy. I don't know what it is, unless it's those 3 things of chorizo. Now, I didn't know that chorizo was spicy, but evidently it must be, because nothing else that I put in there is spicy. All right, now I'm going to get some water and put some water in here. I've got this on the sear saute. I've got it set for an hour and on 300. I may cut it down even more than that, but I'm gonna go on and put some water in here. I'm gonna start draining my kale, and then I'll put the kale in after this gets done, and I think this is going to be amazing. But I'm going to go put some water in it. I'll bring you right back. Okay, I forgot to turn the camera on. I put about 3.5 cups of water in here. I think it's still going to be fine. I'm going to let this cook for about an hour, even though it says these will be ready in 4 minutes. I put the water in, so now it's cooled off, and so I'm gonna let this cook for an hour, and then I will put the kale in. And I've got everything French bread from Walmart. It's got the everything stuff on it. I'm gonna have that with this, and I will bring you back. Okay, I'm back. All right, I've cut this down to 275, and I checked my kale and I drained it, but it's got right many of the stems in here that are hard, and I don't like hard stems. I like my things like this, my greens and all, totally mushy. So I'm gonna go on and put these in here, and I may put some more water in here. Doesn't look like very much of a soup. Yeah, I think I will. I guess I'm gonna put some more water in. I'm gonna let it cook down now, and I'll probably put some more water in it, probably about 2 cups of water in it. All right, so I'll bring you back when this gets done. Okay, I'm back. All right, I can't wait. I've got one of the shells in my spoon cooling off because I can't wait to taste this. I've never had tortellini before, so I'm really not sure what it tastes like. Oh my gosh. It's kind of like ravioli, but it's way better than the Chef Boyardee ravioli I've had in my life. Oh my gosh. And I just love my Instant Pot jam. I love it. It made this soup. Oh, I see it's been like 3 hours now. Maybe 4. But I cooked it really, really slow. And you can see it's, oh my gosh, it just, my house smells so good. And this looks so good. Let me blow on it. And I put a little bit of cheese on it. I was going to put sour cream on it, but I can't get in my refrigerator in the back. I've got to clean it out tomorrow and do some prep because I've got so much stuff in there. All right, I want to taste this, the beef and the ground beef and the kale. Well, very, very hot. And I just burnt my mouth really bad. I thought it would have cooled off some by now, but no, it hasn't. Golly, that was hot. Let me taste this carrot right here and see if it's done. Perfect. Perfect. There's a piece of celery. This is amazing, y'all. And like I said, I put kale in this instead of spinach. It would have been okay with spinach, but I like kale, and I had frozen kale, and I didn't have any fresh spinach. I had frozen spinach, but the kale was what I liked the best. I got these. It was 2 things. I can't even remember how much it cost, but it was 2 like plastic bowls of the tortellinis at Sam's. From what I've seen other people, there's some kind of bags of tortellini at Walmart that they say is really, really good. So y'all have got to try this. This is so, so good. I can't wait till it cools off more so I can eat it. Alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and different things that you can purchase on Amazon that I use in my kitchen. And I hope you have a good day. Bye.